speakers. They give you the oomph as you're listening to them, and when they leave, you go back home, you realize, damn, my fridge is empty. I can't still start the business, you know. So I would like to see myself as an inspirational leader who speaks. I don't know if it makes sense. In a sense that through my experiences, my real experiences that I put up in the books that I write, I'm inspiring someone to say, you have a gift that's hidden. Come, find a way to get it out. So that's what the book does. It helps you to look deep into yourself and find out what you're really good at and how you can bring it to the fore and play a positive role in society.
So I want us to get into a break, but when we get back, we're going to be looking at how you dug into yourself, you know, how you unpacked and unearthed your capabilities, and how you're now shining. You're an entrepreneur, an author, a speaker. Apparently, we must say you're a leader who speaks. You know, you're doing a lot of things. Let's get into this one.